Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a TV remote in Samsung SmartThings app. So let's get started. So to use a mobile device like that, you have to follow this easy step. So first of all, go and search on your search bar as a SmartThings. Just open it and make sure in your your TV, your Samsung sign in is on, and then it will sync your device into your app. As you can see in my living room there is a TV, so it's showing the TV and it's in sync with my phone. So when I will just click on here, then you can click on the TV remote and you can from there you can control it. So by this way you can do it, and it's an easy way too. If you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.